Apa? किती जोर दौड़ी पळायला घातला ताकद आहे हो सगळं
अरे नंदू नंदू क्या बात है नंदू जयगोपाल ये अरे चलो 1 मैच के 3 विनर You can join the track. तेरा
अरे अरे
नो ज्यादा थोड़ी कर गुड
देखो पहले देवे हमको
छोटा कर लंबा पे ये स्पून एंड लेमन ग्रास
तो हमारी जो सिंगल जो मैंने ऑप्शन इसकी थोड़ी की मुन्नी के डायरेक्ट आवा मतलब
खेत थोड़े
लेमा में से all the teams This is 93.
ये 2-3 दिन में
good, very good, very good.
इधर इधर
बीबी जी आ जाइए आप प्लीज।
Revered members, all present here, it's a great occasion for all the Kosalites being together here after so many years. I hope all of you are elated and excited to cherish this moment of our alumni meet. And this is the formal meeting, the most important part of this alumni meet. Hope all of you will understand the seriousness and will maintain the decorum to have a smooth and decent meeting. And as we are here together, around 15 batches, starting from 1982-83, the senior most batch, then from 86 to 99. So this is a movement, the memories which we are going to carry the lifelong, and maybe after few moments we'll have a session for attendance, and I will be calling the batch here, and you have to give your attendance. Everyone should feel something unique voice you have to produce. Batch wise it will be called. Maybe it's 1986 batch. Something uniqueness they have to create, and they have to give their attendance with a loud voice simultaneously. So all of you be prepared. The moment will come. It will be in between this formal meeting. And before that, I want to have the formal welcome for each and everyone. And we are really honored to have the chairman, the most experienced person who is now leading the school, is here since 14 years. With his experience and calmness, is guiding the total Kosalites, and even with his kind help and support we are able to meet here. And I really want all of you to give a round of applause to the presence, and I welcome Sri M.V. Subbarao Garu, the chairman of the Kosala School. And I also welcome the honorable managing committee members, Sri V. Satyanarayan Garu, Sri G. Rangarao Garu, A. Allur Venkatraj Garu, all managing committee members, and I even feel privileged to welcome all our teachers who guided us, and we really feel privileged to have such a teachers who motivated us, and definitely every individual used to have an impact in their personal life or professional life, and somewhere motivated by their school teachers. And definitely we really feel privileged to have you as a teacher, sir. I welcome all the teachers with a round of applause. And even I welcome all the alumni of Vikas from 1982-83 to 1999, alumni of Kosala, TKS Alumni 2021. It's really a successful one with the presence of all the alumni. So really, I am very delighted and grateful to all of you, and I welcome all of you with a round of applause. And I am more pleased and to see all the family members, the better ups of all the alumni and their family members. And I welcome all of you for this grand celebration of Alumni Meet 2021. And as told by Chairman Sir yesterday, this is going to be a history, as this is the first Alumni Meet of these many batches in the Kosala premises. Hope you all of you are having a great time, and still time is there to have a great time after this meeting. So once again I welcome all of you, maybe all Kosalites and their family members, and we'll have a great time ahead. First of all, I request our chairman sir and all the managing committee members, along with our Sananda sir, the principal, only principal of those days who is present, to have the lightning lamp to start the auspicious meeting. Please, sir. time for all the batches to make their presence feel. So I request each and every batch to have some typical sound to make their attendance feel.
शत्रुबुद्धिविनाशाय दीपज्योतिर्नमोऽस्तुते दीपज्योतिर्नमोऽस्तुते शुभं कुरु त्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः
From all our teachers. So I request all the teachers to come onto the dais to have a beautiful welcome song for all the alumni and their family members. So round of applause for
हे शुभ दिवस स्वागतम स्वागतम हे शुभ दिवस स्वागतम तुम आगमने आम कंठु আজি तुम आगमने आम कंठु আজি झरी पड़े शुभ स्वागतम स्वागतम हे शुभ दिवस स्वागतम स्वागतम हे शुभ दिवस स्वागतम हसे আজি कोशल भुवन हसे আজি कोशल भुवन पाई तार सबु अमूल्य रतन पाई तार सबु अमूल्य रतन आशा मेटी अतीत दुआरु स्मृति को करिबार मंथन स्वागतम हे शुभ दिवस स्वागतम स्वागतम हे शुभ दिवस स्वागतम तुम आगमने आम कंठु আজি तुम आगमने आम कंठु আজি झरी पड़े शुभ स्वागतम स्वागतम हे शुभ दिवस स्वागतम तुमी माटीर हीरा नीला मोती तुमे माटीर हीरा नीला मोती हसे दुनिया पाई तुम ज्योति हसे दुनिया पाई तुम ज्योति भूली ना हो केबे तुमको जीवनी करू सदा तुम गुणगान स्वागतम हे शुभ दिवस स्वागतम स्वागतम हे शुभ दिवस स्वागतम तुम आगमने काम कंठु আজি तुम आगमने आम कंठु আজি झरी पड़े शुभ स्वागतम स्वागतम हे शुभ दिवस स्वागतम ला 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 ला
Really, it's a melodious welcome song. Thank you all. Welcome song. And now the time has come for the attendance. I may call random because now mic is in my hand, so it's my wish. Call for the attendance is 1986 batch. जोरदार तालियां 86 बैच के लिए। कम लोग हैं फिर भी आवाज ज्यादा आया। सो नाउ इट्स अ कंपटीशन फॉर। कम है आवाज ज्यादा आया। एंड नाउ फॉर द 1983 बैच। कहाँ गए 83? जय हिंद। हमारा फर्स्ट बैच। So now for the next batch, 1988. And now for the so okay, better we'll go serially. 87 is missed. Now 1987 batch. Okay, nice. Round of applause for the 87 batch. So there is privilege for 88 batch. Once again 1988. And now for my batch 1989. Woo! Privilege. And now 1990. Good, thank you. 1991. Yeah, 91 most energetic. Huh? Yeah, 1991. मेंबर्स बहुत कम लग रहे हैं, ज्यादा काम किए लोग। 1992. गुड गुड गुड। आवाज भी ज्यादा, फिजिकली भी भारी दिख रहे हैं सब। 1990 एंड नाउ 1993. Attendance going on. 1993. 1994. 1995. 1996. 1997. Good. 1998. Great. 98 he charged up. Very good. 1999. Jai Koshala. And now for the actual registration wise attendance, 1992 batch is the highest attendance. Good, thank you and welcome all of you. And now for the most important program, I request two persons from each batch to come onto the dais. Two persons. You among decide to come onto the dais to felicitate our teachers and other members and our management members. Two persons from each batch. Two members. A. Venkat Rayudu garu, V. Satyanarayan garu, and Putta Rambab garu to come onto the dais. Once again for this alumni meet, and because of the support of chairman sir and all the management members, we could do this alumni meet, and for their support, I want all of you to give a round of applause for all the management members along with chairman sir Mr. M.D. Subbarao garu. Thank you all the management members and chairman sir. Because of your vision, now the alumni of Kosala have settled in each and every corner of the world, and we are real privileged to have applause to all the members. Thank you all. Now, director cum principal of the Kosala school. She was the she is receiving on behalf of Nalini Patnaik ma'am, the director cum principal, the alumni of Vikas. Sorry, Kosala. नहीं चलबो So now for the next. For the most sweet and soft, Suman Tiwari madam. And now for the next, हमको डस्टर से पीट पीट के बहुत मैथमेटिक्स सिखाए थे. For the great mathematics teacher, our guru, Sri P.M. Sahu sir. And now for the next. उस वक्त अगर ब्यूटी का कुछ नाम था तो मैडम का नाम था. We have and we have Ranjana Tiwari madam. Round of applause for her. Yeah, popularly called as Ranu ma'am.